Hi, my name is Ellie, and I'd like to thank you all for coming today. The February class of RLA has been learning all about the stars. During our expedition, we have learned how stars have affected humans as well as why we need the stars. We have learned all this and more through research, guest speakers, and our fieldwork with the FSU Planetarium and the Challenger Learning Center. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Hi, my name is Isabel. We have learned so much information about the stars. I would like to start by telling you what stars are made of and how stars are formed. Stars are made of helium, hydrogen, and hot gases. The hot gases are made of iron, sulfur, silicon, magnesium, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Star formation takes about 10 million years. Stars form inside dense concentrations of interstellar gas and dust clouds. Star formation begins when the thicker parts of a dust cloud collapse under its own weight. That's how stars are formed, and that is a nebula where stars are formed.
Hi, my name is Miles, and I'm going to talk about nebulas. Nebulas are also known as star nurseries, or the area where stars are born. Nebulas are created from great clouds of gas and dust that exist in space. There are many different kinds of nebulas in space, but one of the best known ones is the Orion Nebula. The Orion Nebula is one of the brightest nebulas someone can see without a telescope.
Hi, my name is Jacob. One of the things we learned about during our expedition on stars is that stars are different colors. The different colors of stars are similar to the rainbow. Did you know that the color of the star depends on its temperature? There are different temperatures of stars. For example, the blue star is the hottest star. The next hottest star is the white star. There's an orange star, which is the third hottest star. Last but not least, the red star. The red star is the coldest star.
Hi, my name is Mario. Today I'm going to tell you about telescopes. Telescopes are important because they allow scientists to learn about the stars. No one knows for sure who invented the first telescope. However, in 1609, a man named Galileo designed his own telescope and was the first person to point a telescope in the sky. He was able to observe craters on the moon as well as light from stars that were in the sky. As most people know, a telescope is a tool that makes distant objects appear closer. Telescopes magnify light from distant objects using cubes, mirrors, or lenses. There are many different types of telescopes. For example, the radio telescopes send out radio waves. Radio telescopes collect and measure these waves. Radio telescope helps scientists find objects that optical telescopes cannot fit. That's a picture of a radio telescope.
Hi, my name is Destiny. Have you ever wondered if stars are important? Well, if you have and you do not know already, stars are important. Stars have helped humans navigate around the Earth before there were compasses and GPSs. Even now, if someone is lost at night without a GPS, he or she can look to the stars to help them find where they need to go. Another way stars are important is that we get solar energy from the sun, which is our closest star to Earth.
Hi, my name is Raina. As Destiny said, stars help people navigate around Earth. By looking at the stars, you can tell which way is north, south, east, and west. Before we had calendars, people used the stars to know when to harvest crops. Nearly every culture on Earth has created patterns out of the stars called constellations. The constellations made the stars easier to remember. Also, people throughout history have created myths about the different constellations. These myths have been shared in many different cultures. There are about 88 recognized constellations at this time. Here are some constellations.
Hi, my name is Nui. Did you know that the universe is made of elements that come from stars? Elements are tiny bits of matter that are in everything. When stars die, they explode and the elements are released into space. The stardust eventually makes other planets and stars, so as you can see, the stars are very important.
Hi, my name is Sanya.
Hydrogen is one element that is in water. So do stars really need hydrogen? Yes, stars do need hydrogen. Because if stars do not have hydrogen, stars will not have energy, and if stars do not have energy, they will die. If the star runs out of energy, it will die. Another way a star can die is when it collapses under its own weight. If this happens, the star naturally ends its life by exploding into a supernova.
Hi, my name is Mustafa. Some of you may be wondering what's a supernova. A supernova forms when a star explodes and looks like shattered gases. The shattered gases of these stars are made up of hydrogen and helium.
Hi, my name is Kevin. Some of you may be wondering the process the star goes through when it dies. The first thing that happens is the core of the star finally cools into a white dwarf star and then a black dwarf star. If a huge star builds up a lot of mass, it will die from its own weight. Do you know it takes millions of years for stars to die?
Hi, my name is Ivana. Does the last slide have you wondering what white and black dwarf stars are? Well, a white dwarf star is a very small star about the size of a planet. They are formed when a low-mass star has exhausted all of its nuclear fuel. This is a white dwarf star. A black dwarf star used to be a white dwarf star, but it has cooled down. This is the last stage of a star. They do not emit any heat or light, making them invisible. One cool fact about our universe and black dwarf stars is that our universe doesn't have any because it is too young. It is less than 14 billion years old. That is what a black dwarf star looks like if we had it.
Hi, my name is Ray. With all this talk about dead stars, have you ever wondered if stars can fall to Earth? Have you ever seen a shooting star and thought it was a star falling to Earth? Well, shooting stars or falling stars are not even stars. Those streaks of light falling from the sky are actually tiny bits of dust and rock meteorites. Scientists don't believe that stars can fall to Earth as they explode in space.
Hi, my name is Nara. Have you ever wondered if stars are dangerous? Well, after researching, I have learned that stars are not likely to be dangerous because they're so far away. If a star explodes, it will most likely not hit Earth because it's so far away. So worry no more about stars being dangerous.
Hi, my name is Claire. So we know stars are dangerous, but did you know what would happen to Earth without stars? If there were no stars, Earth would not be able to support the human life. Earth needs the energy from stars to survive. But have no fear. Scientists believe that stars last for billions of years. Now, before we talk about the sun, do you wonder where stars go during the day? Stars don't really go anywhere during the day. They're still there. The sun is just so bright that it blocks the stars' light and you can't see them. When the Earth rotates around, you can see the stars again.
Hi, my name is Obama. I would like to tell some information about the sun. The first thing you should know, the sun is a star. Also, it's the closest star to Earth. That's why Earth is so bright and there's lots of light. Another fact about the sun is that the sun isn't yellow, it's actually white. Crazy, right?
Have you ever wondered what life would be like without the sun? Earth would be a block of ice and life would be gone. Also, if we didn't have the sun, plants wouldn't grow. Without plants, we wouldn't be eating fruits or vegetables. Also, we would not get vitamin D, which is needed to be healthy. Life on Earth wouldn't exist as it does now if we had no sun.
So now we know we need the sun to get natural vitamin D. We get vitamin D from playing outside 10 to 20 minutes. Another thing the sun gives us is solar energy. Solar energy is formed in the solar radiation by solar radiation, which makes it possible to produce electricity by solar panels. Solar energy can be used to heat and cool our homes. Did you know that the sun can affect the weather? It's true. It can affect the wind and other things. The sun's outer layer can't hold on to the fast-moving atoms, so they fly off. When the sun spits out a lot of mass, it's called a coronal mass ejection. Our magnetic field blocks a lot of that wind. Another way the sun affects our weather is by warming our Earth. This is fire coming off of our sun. The fire burns out on its long journey to Earth and
but the wind that carried the fire keeps going to its planet.
One of the benefits of the sun is that it gives us radiant energy. Radiant energy is a natural energy. Radiant energy gives us heat that allows us to cook food. This can be helpful when you have no electricity. Here's a picture of our class using solar ovens. We were making s'mores in the solar ovens, and Ivana and Jacob were using solar cookers to melt the chocolate.
If you look directly at the sun with no eye protection, eye damage can happen. If you look at the sun for too long, you can even go blind. It is important to wear solar observing glasses if you want to view the sun. You should not view the sun directly through a telescope either, as you can damage your eyes that way. The first picture is people looking at the sun with solar observing glasses. The second picture is us observing the sun with a tool to reflect the sun on the cabinet.
Hi, my name is Jamila. Today I would like to talk to you about the sun's energy. Do you worry that the sun will run out of energy? Scientists say that the sun will run out of energy, but not for a very long time. In fact, the sun is not supposed to run out of energy in 4 billion years. However, the sun has used up half of its hydrogen fuel in the last 4.6 billion years since its birth.
The last thing we would like to talk to you about is gravity. We all know that gravity is the thing that pulls us down on Earth, but did you know without gravity we would not be able to survive? Without gravity, the sun would be floating around and we would not be able to get any light, warmth, or vitamin D. Without the sun, Earth would be an icy cold planet and life would be gone. Thankfully, gravity keeps the sun and Earth rotating safely. And as you can see, this is a picture of Earth rotating around the sun from the force of gravity.
Thank you for listening to our presentation about stars. We had a lot of fun making these slides. It took a lot of work. We learned a lot about stars. It was so interesting. We hope you enjoyed our slideshow and learned some new facts about the stars. We are glad that you were able to come, and thank you.